Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday morning, beautiful day, end of October anyways. It's going to be almost 80 degrees today, but we're going to be in the shop today. We need to get started on a new project, and I'm trying to decide which one. I know which one, but I need to get started on the Rogue, but that ain't happening. I'd like to get started on that Rogue because it's a slam dunk, get her out the door, but that ain't happening either. Today, I need to get this old girl in. This is my 2014 Ford Focus. Basically, this is my daily. It's my beater car. I drive it everywhere, year round. Awesome little car. It's, like I said, it's a 14 5-speed manual transmission, so you don't have to worry about all that automatic transmission bullshit with the Ford Focuses. The other thing is, it's got a trailer hitch on it. That's pretty awesome. I actually use that thing quite often. But anyways, our problem is, while we were on vacation a couple weeks ago, we were out in Utah doing Bronco things. And my son evidently challenged a raccoon on the highway. And although the car won over the raccoon, how they say that? It won the fight but lost the war, or lost the battle, or whatever. Basically, it's leaking coolant. I can see that the radiator is completely pushed back. The lower rear support's bent. There's a bunch of plastic missing underneath of it. The under fender wells are busted. Bumper's busted. Grills are busted. So basically, I just ordered everything underneath the front end there. Hopefully I got everything ordered for it. I got a new bumper sitting in the shop. We painted it last week when we painted those F-150 parts. So that's all ready to go. Tires are junk, so I hit a marketplace score the other day. Got 4 brand new to me used wheels and tires for it with snow tires on it. So this thing actually gets around pretty good in the snow regardless, but snow tires all the way around, that ain't gonna hurt the deal either. Sorry, Waldo, I took them from you, but anyways, they're mine now. Finders keepers, losers your snow tires, right? Anyways, we're gonna get this thing pulled in the shop. We're gonna throw it up on stands pretty much, blow the front end off it. Hopefully I got everything to put it back together. We're gonna throw some wheels and tires on it. Probably change the oil. I ain't gonna show that stupid crap, but anyways, it's today's project. It's not a fun one, but it's gotta be done because I miss driving this thing. So here we go. All right, got the old girl in the shop. Got her up on jack stands. Should be good to go. We're going to set up on time lapse, turn on some tunes, and blow this old girl apart and see how much damage there actually is. Hopefully, it's not worse than I think. So we'll know in a minute. All right, we're all torn down for the most part. Actually, let's get the machine running here. Get the AC refrigerant out of it. Anyways, the AC still has pressure in it, so I'm hoping that everything is good there. So we'll let that do its thing. Other than that, we're about what I expected. See, the entire radiator is ripped off the lower radiator support. Lower radiator support is actually, I don't know what's going on here. We're going to hit that with a hammer a couple times, fix that up. We have a new radiator support here. We have a new radiator. I did not order an AC condenser, although I'm thinking I probably should have now that I see it because it's got some damage. But keep in mind, I'm not building this to sell. This is my daily beater. If it takes drywall screws and zip ties to put this thing back together, so be it. I'm not getting picky. This is a frickin' $4,000 car at best right now. So anyways, we are going to recover the coolant out of it. I do have a new one of these. Luckily, it looked like the computer case got cracked, but it's still hanging there. So we're not gonna, yes, that is the computer for the car. Great location for it, isn't it? The last raccoon we hit with a Ford Focus, which is our old white one, the computer actually, it knocked the computer out of the car, and it was actually dangling under the car at 70 miles an hour, bouncing off the ground, and that car is still on the road today. So I'm not super concerned about anything here. We got some broken plugs, but nothing major. So we are going to recover the refrigerant. Then we can pull the radiator, condenser, and this piece of broken crap all out at one shot, straighten some stuff out, and start putting it back together hopefully. So stay tuned, I guess. Let's let this thing finish. So we got the rest of this mess torn off. All the damage is out of there. The rest of it's fine. Good enough anyways. Over here, so this is the lower, or the front bumper, I suppose you could say, and this is where the radiator support bolts onto. And this is all, it tore it completely, pretty much tore it right off of there. Bent the crap out of everything. So we're going to get the hammer out and we're going to make this look like something, because I am not replacing this just for that. We're going to fix that. We do have a problem though, that so on the radiator, you can see kind of our dilemma with this thing here. It's not quite straight anymore and it leaks. The problem is on the bottom of the radiator where it goes into that radiator support. It's supposed to have these little dickies right here, one on each side, and our new radiator does, but there's supposed to be rubber grommets on here that go into the lower radiator support. So those grommets are still on those dickies somewhere on the highway, so we're not getting those back. And unfortunately they only have one of them in stock at Ford, so the other one will be here first thing in the morning. So we're going to get done what we can here tonight, and then tomorrow we'll run out, grab that, and hopefully throw it together. So we'll get the wheels and all that stuff done tonight. So anyways, we're going to continue on. So yeah, evidently we needed those two rubber grommets to go in first. I get that, but unfortunately I'm a little too impatient for that crap. So my theory is I put it all together without the grommets, and this is my plan. I hope anyways, I can unbolt the lower radiator support from underneath the car, one side at a time, slide the grommet up in there, put it back together, and if all goes well, I won't have to take all this back apart tomorrow. But I think it'll work. We're going to find out. Actually, we're not ready yet. We need more parts. The rest of the plastic pieces put on there that need to be on there to make this thing actually stay on the car, we can hopefully put it together now. So here's it, just slides on, right? That guy's got to go up there. That goes in there. Come on, get in there. Something like that. This has got to go. Something like that. There she goes. This side in quick. Nice. Couple screws. Should be good to go. The AC is charged, coolant is full, headlights are in and working. Now we're down to wheels and tires. We did get the inner fender wells put in, yay, yay, yay. Lots of fun stuff there. Here's our new wheels. Show you all the old ones here. These things are garbage. I mean, besides the tires being bald, this got that paint issue that Ford had where the silver just flakes off it. So these set here, a guy had on Facebook Marketplace, he wanted $500 for them, wheels and tires. The wheels are about perfect condition, which I really don't care. Main thing I was after were the tires. These Firestone, what are they? Firestone weather grips. So basically a snow tire. They're like what'd they say? $195 a piece or something like that on the internet. So we got like $800 for the tires and a nicer set of wheels and them crap there. And save ourselves some money. So anyways, yeah, the deal with this is he listed these for $500. I offered him $400. He counter offered and said that he had somebody else interested in them, but he'd take $450. Well, it turns out it was a friend of mine that was trying to get him, Waldo. He told me he'd give him $500 for him. I offered him $400. He countered $450. I said I'll be there in an hour. Ran over there and picked him up. When I'm there, I don't know which wheel it was, but one of them's got a scratch in it. And he's like, oh man, I didn't see the scratch in it. So he says, I'll take the $400 if you're good with that. And like I said, I don't care that it had a scratch. I would have gave him the $500 if he would have stuck to it, but he didn't. So I ended up getting these for $400. So $400, 4 new wheels, 4 almost new tires. We're good to go. So let's throw these things on, and I think that's going to be it for today until we get those pieces for the radiator. Well, there we go. 4 brand new used tires. 4 brand new used wheels. All new front end. So tomorrow we'll run out to Ford, pick up those 2 grommets, go to Walmart and get oil. Man, I hate going to Walmart. But it's cheaper than going to Advanced Auto. So we'll get some oil. I got oil filters for it in stock, so we'll switch them out. And then if all goes well, we might just even take it to the car wash and get it cleaned. What do you think of that? Anyways, that's it for today. We'll catch you in the morning. We have our little grommets here from the Ford people. We're going to get these things installed quick. Hopefully everything goes as planned. Basically, like I said, I'm going to try to drop one side at a time. Stick these in. 2 different ones, but whatever. Anyways, we're going to try to get these 2 jammed in here quick. And then from there, we need to relearn the tire pressure monitors. Hopefully these wheels have monitors in them. I didn't even ask the dude if they did. So we're going to try to relearn them. We got the oil changed already. Stopped at Walmart this morning. It was not the worst trip to Walmart. Whoops. It was not the worst trip to Walmart as usual, because I hate that frickin' store. I mean, I'd be fine. Just quit asking me for my frickin' receipt, you know? I always got to fight with the dude. Alright, got those rubber pieces in. That way they're painless. There is one more piece of trim that goes underneath the bumper, but this grill has to go in first, I think. And although we ordered the grill, there were 2 options. There was a shiny black and a flat black, matte black, I guess. We ordered the wrong one. So the new one's going to be here tomorrow. We'll put that in. Then I'll put that under shield on. But for today, it's going down the road. So now we need to relearn the monitors. Let's see how that goes. Alright, so we got our Smart Sensor Pro set up for this year and model of Ford. So now we need to put the car in TPS Learn mode, which on a focus, neutral, e-brake on. Let's see here. Step and release the brake. Turn the key on and off. 1, 2, 3. Leave it and run. Step on the brake. Release the brake. Off, on, off, on, off, on. Okay, so now we got to train the left front tire. So basically take our smart sensor out here. And I don't know if this is going to work because I don't know if my horn works. Let's see if the horn works. Does not. Anyways, see if we can figure it out here. So we are going to, hopefully this thing's got sensors in it. Sounds like it got it. Okay. See what the dash says. Yeah, train right front. Cool. Sensors are in. Trigger sensor. Done. Usually the horn honks when it learns. But my horn doesn't work in this car, and I don't know why, and I really don't care. I just yell at people. I don't really honk at them. Redo it. There we go. Okay. Training complete according to the dash. Yes, it is. Alright. Turn the key off. She's good to go. the old grill all finished up, ready for another winter, I guess. We're just gonna head in town here, running through the old car wash, get the inside, outside, and under the fenders done, right? Probably throw a fresh tank of fuel in her. We're doing 36 miles to the gallon right now. This thing's pretty awesome. I like driving this thing. So, anyways, we're going to wrap this one up, get it cleaned up. We're done with this one. We'll get back to shop, get the shop cleaned up, and then we're going to tear into something else. Probably going to be a black F-150. So anyways, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.